Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. I'm going to be sharing some things that I got for my birthday. And after that, make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to also share on how you can win some of these papers that I made. And if you haven't seen the video about how you can win this paper pumpkin here that I've got, an extra paper pumpkin, and more about the celebration. I'm going to discuss all that at the end of the video, so make sure you keep watching and stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. Today I celebrated my 55th birthday. And my daughter Shelby and son-in-law Joe came to visit me and celebrated with me. And I wanted to show you some cards that I have gotten. As you know, most of you know, I'm a Stampin Up demonstrator. And this one was sent from Lori, one of the uplines of my Stampin' Up team, and I just wanted to show how pretty this card is that she made for me for my birthday. Isn't that beautiful? She did a really good job. And then of course then I got one from my church. They sent me one, very nice. And then this one really is probably my favorite. I'm sorry. Daughter made this, and let me tell you something about this card. Okay, I'm going to show you the inside too, because, and she wrote all over the back too, she spent so much time on this card. Now, I mean, she really wrote personal stuff in it. I hate to show that, but I mean, what she wrote is so sweet. Bless her heart. She always thinks she's not crafty. She bakes. That's a craft. She can bake real good. But I found out she is crafty because she took this card, I think she said from Dollar Tree, and she also got another card, I believe, from Dollar Tree. And I think that's what she said. Had two cards. She liked, this was the front of another card. She said she liked the front of it. I guess didn't like the inside of it or something, and she found this card and she liked what it said inside, so she took the front of this card, cut it, and pasted it inside of the card that she did like. Now I thought that was pretty crafty and clever for someone that says they're not crafty, so I thought that was really sweet when she told me she did that, because I thought this came just like this. I thought this was the inside of this card. It looked like it matched the original, and I could not tell. She does not have a paper trimmer, and I could not tell that this had, nothing had been cut, pasted, anything. I really couldn't. She started showing me. I'm looking, and she says, "Oh, Mama, your eyes are just bad." And I'm looking, and I'm like, "Yeah, but you know, I can inspect, you know, and tell handcrafts." And then I started pulling right here, and that's when I could tell that I was like, oh yeah, now I can tell, because I was pulling it back. I was like, wow, you did a really good job. She said, yeah, because I didn't cut very straight. And I said, oh yes you did. Me and her husband both said, yeah, you cut real good straight. Because she was talking about it not lining up. Well, it did line up, because that's just the way the card's put together anyway. I think she did a fantastic job, y'all. She can make cards. I bet she could make one of them paper pocket cards. I'm trying to get her to craft with me sometime. She just won't do it. Alright, and then this card, of course, was from my husband. So those were the cards that I got. And then my daughter and husband had they brought me this great big old gift in my favorite color. If y'all don't know, that purple is more lavender than just purple, but any shade of purple. Let's see, I have that purple one today. She had all kinds of gifts in here. And let's see, there was a Twix in there, some jelly rolls. I have the bright white gel inkers. I've been wanting these for years. I've been needing them to do highlights with, and she's been listening to me, so she ordered me some of those. What else was in there? Twix. Some of these little, I already put them up, some little tops to wear under shirts, the little things that you wear under things, under shirts or dresses that maybe the neckline might be a little low. One of them has like a little lace. I think they're called like half tees, and you wear them under things. And then like this, I think it's called a Skuga skirt. I'll have to stand up so you can see it. Let's see. Back up. I don't know if you can see it. Really back up. These beautiful flowers right here. Look how pretty they are. I've got pictures on everything on my home Facebook page if you're friends with me on Facebook, or my Instagram if you're following me on Instagram. And then they're probably on my Facebook page. I think they automatically load on Facebook if you're following me on that Southern Angels Stampin' Facebook. But these are the flowers. I don't want to tilt them, but they came in this beautiful bowl. So I thought those were just beautiful. So I had a very lovely birthday. So I just wanted to come on here and talk to y'all, tell you about my birthday I had today. So I thank y'all for joining me for my birthday celebration. And also, what I wanted to come on here and talk to you about my birthday was I have made 3 handmade packs of paper, okay? And I'm gonna open one just to show you if I can do it without tearing the packaging up. So I can show you. You know what? Let me change the camera angle down. Alright. Well, it took a little bit more than I thought it was going to. So I made these papers. I want to show them. They're all handmade papers on Stampin' Up paper with the Stampin' Up stamps that you can no longer get. Let's see, I may have to zoom in. If it's going to work this angle, but I wanted to show these to you. I hope you can see them real well. Let's lay them this way. And then but I've got 4 packs of them. They all have the same papers and basically the same amount, maybe a few of one or the other. I wanted to show these, and I cut them this size for a reason, so that people could do different things with them, because they can make, because not everybody's a card maker, okay? You can still make cards with them this size. This is one of my favorites. That one and this one, the style right here. And I don't know why that was way in the back. I should have been up here with this one. You can make cards with them. You can do the pocket letters with them. A lot of people do the pocket letters. You can journal with them. Make any kind of little things with them. just anything. Make little boxes with them. You name it. But that's what I figured this would be a really good size. And then the back card, of course, has my information. But there they are. And each pack has about 20 to 21, I think. Yeah, they should have all the same in them. And let me make sure I get them back in order. So they look the same. But I've got these, and what I was going to do is, I've already got that one giveaway I was doing, so I wanted to do this one. It's my birthday. I was going to say, if you put in a $25 order, okay, I've already got, if you put in a $50 order or a 3-month Paper Pumpkin subscription, you get the expressions in color. Okay, you get it put in a drawing for that. Well, you also, if you put in a $25 order or more, you will get in a drawing for a pack of these free papers that I made. Okay, and I've got four of them. So it means 4 people would win a pack of these. Okay, so I would appreciate it if you would like this video, share this video with others. I'm going to put them in backwards. Sharing, definitely. Please share and please like it, because that will help. Sharing helps get the word out to other people. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Click the bell for all notifications, so that way YouTube will let you know when I make the new videos. And then if you would just leave me a comment down below, let me know that you have done this and that you are planning on, if you do plan on maybe putting in an order, because we've got maybe about a month left of the celebration going on for you to also get a free gift out of celebration. That ends on the 30th, so you do have to put in a 50 order for this. So just think, if you get put in a $50 order, now if you decide to do a $50 order, this is what you would get. You would get a free gift. You get to pick a free gift out of this, out of your celebration. Okay, you would also get to be in the drawing for this Paper Pumpkin. Then you would also get to be put in a drawing for one of these paper packs that I have made. Okay, so that's a good little deal right there. So let me know in the comments what you think about that, and if you plan on doing that. Okay, and now, like I said, you can either order $50 worth of products, or you can sign up for 3 months of Paper Pumpkin, whichever way you would like to do that, just as long as it's $50. And remember to use my monthly host code, okay, for August. And if you don't get it in by August, just let me know, and because I will be posting a new one for September, but try to get it in for August, okay, so that I can have that in for my August sales. All right, so I appreciate y'all watching, and I thank y'all very much. Y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see y'all again soon.